One is not enough, you will want to eat them all. This is a traditional street food from the south of Italy, specifically from my hometown Palermo. La Rosticceria è buonissima. Andiamola a preparare. Let's go! Add salt and lard to the flour. Dissolve yeast and sugar in the water. Combine the two and start kneading the dough. Place the dough vertically, hold half of it with one hand, and press the other half with your palm against the countertop. Then roll it back with your fingers. Repeat the process and work the dough until smooth. Finish it forming a ball. Dust the container with flour and let the dough rest in it for 2 hours. Form balls of 50 grams each and let them rest for 50 minutes. The first shape is calzone. It is a folded mini pizza with ham and cheese, but you can fill it with whatever you like. The next shape is rouleau, my favorite. Roll the dough into a tube and wrap it around a sausage. The last shape is a mini pizza. Flat the dough, place it in a baking tray and only spread the tomato sauce on it. Extra toppings will be added later on. Place the other pieces on the tray and brush them with an egg wash. Optionally, sprinkle sesame seeds for decoration. Then, let them rest for 1 hour. Bake at 190 degrees in a static oven for 50 minutes. Halfway down, add the rest of your toppings and continue baking until they turn gold. Sorry, you came too late. Stop. One. This is a traditional street food from the south of Italy. Specifically from my hometown Palermo. Sul Palermo. One is not enough. One.